Well, I just got a package in the mail from Venba Fragrances with a few niche fragrances that I wanted to get my hands on. In this video, we're going to bust them open, see what they smell like, because all four of these were complete blind buys. Expensive blind buys, too. Stay tuned. So there's a lot of goodies in this box. Nishane Fan Your Flames, Nishane Ani, Bond number 9 Bleeker Street, and a tester bottle of Mason Francis Kirkjohn Aqua Celestia Forte. I think we'll bust this one open first. So it's a tester bottle. Like I said, these were all blind buys. I figured, why not? I was wanting to get some more niche in my life. There we go. Mason Francis Kirkjohn Aqua Celestia Forte. So I have smelled a clone of this. I have never smelled the real deal. I'm wanting to dive more and more into MFK. And here we are. Gotta love beautiful sprayer. Fresh, a little floral. I didn't look at the note breakdown. It's been a while. Got a good price on the testers. I forgot exactly what it was. I forgot. I should have checked. This is quite lovely. This has a lot of bite, if that makes any sense. Like it's astringent. It stings the nostrils a little bit. Yeah, it's got some astringent qualities. There's a sharp citrus here. And almost like a white floral appeal to it as well. Definitely very astringent, sharp, juicy citrus. And I don't remember what citrus is in here. But I'll be damned if this don't smell incredible. I may be wearing this one immediately, but it's hard to say that when it's the first of these four. Because one of those might grab me even more than this. But so far, damn, this was a good choice. Man, what... I can't stop smelling it. It's not as watery as the name would lead you to believe. But there's a strong astringent quality. There's a very sharp, almost metallic-like citrus here. And I'm really digging it. I'm going to spend some more time with this one. I will do a full review on this one. I forgot the note breakdown. I can't remember it off the top of my head. But very astringent citrus up top. Really like how it smells too. Aqua Celestia Forte, Mason Francis Kirkjohn. Next, I think we'll go Bleeker Street. So I have smelled clones, but not the real deal, you know. And this has always been a cool looking bottle to me. 100 ml, Mardi Gras colors. Shout out to everybody in Louisiana. You know, green, gold, and purple. That's some Mardi Gras colors right there. So I only have one other Bond number 9 fragrance. As a lot of you know, bondnumber9.com. Lovely atomizer on these. Very green. Fresh and green, you know. It gets love, it gets hate, it gets a little bit of everything. And it's one that I've been wanting to get my hands on because I do like the clones I've smelled. Like Sensual Obsessions has a pretty good clone. But this is one I've just been wanting to get because it's different. Bleeker Street doesn't remind me of a bunch of other things. It smells like Bleeker Street, you know. This is a polarizing Bond number 9 fragrance. Very popular, but a bit of hate at the same time. Very green. There's a little bit of a dark aspect to it. There's a strong wood presence that's jumping out at me immediately. Definitely very natural smelling. It doesn't smell, because there's some synthetic nature going on with bondnumber9.com. Not going to act like it isn't. It doesn't smell like the most natural niche fragrance. This one smells a bit higher quality than that. And I love this bottle too. Not that the bottle matters. that much, but it still looks cool. There's no denying how cool this bottle looks. Man, smelling this immediately, I'm thinking slightly elegant work fragrance. I'm thinking spring and fall. I'm thinking warm, not hot summer days. Because I don't see myself wanting this in the hottest of heat, the highest heat out there for the middle of the summer. But summer evenings, if we have somewhere to go type of thing, that'll probably be in the near future where I'm pulling this one out. Like I said, I'm going to do full reviews on all 4 of these. Yeah, I'm really digging this one. Get a sample and try this one if you haven't yet. It's got some uniqueness going for it. Yes, the color green is going to jump out at you. It is a little green and herbaceous, but not so fresh. It's a little bit warmer herbaceous type of greenery with a lot of, there's a really strong woody presence here for me. And almost a slight smoky nature to it, to be completely honest. Like an incensey type of smokiness. Which I don't recall incense or anything like that being in there, but that's kind of the feel it's giving me. Almost a guaiac wood kind of thing, smoky wood. Digging it. So the infamous Fan Your Flames. I absolutely love Hasselblad. More so than I thought I would. That was another blind pickup for me. Figured why not? Let's keep it going. Go with the popular ones, and you can't go wrong when it comes to these expensive ones, because they're popular for a reason. All that out the way, and here we go. Nishane, Fan Your Flames. So I have seen how people react to this. I've seen Justin, Stay Fresh Productions, shout out to you. Just the look on his face when he smells this one. It sold me. It sold me. That's actually after watching that video was when I decided to pick this up. So this doesn't hold as well as my Hasselblad cap does. Oh my. Okay, I get it. I get it now. That's, I think, a good word right off the get-go for me is interesting. Wow, it's interesting. That's the phrase. Warm, marshmallowy, almost type of vanilla maybe? Yeah. Burning woods type of smell. Fan Your Flames, that makes sense. Maybe a slight, there's a boozy nuance here. The sweetness isn't overbearing. It's very balanced. This is very balanced. Because look, I've read and seen a lot of people's reactions that this is a wow factor fragrance. And I've slept on it. And after the last time I saw something about it was Justin talking about it in a video. And you could see it blow him away every time he smells it. I get it now. I get it. Yeah. This is definitely wow. Oh, I just noticed they have notes on the front label. Coconut, rum, tobacco, tonka, oak moss, Chinese cedarwood. So that must be the tonka that's giving me that marshmallowy sweetness. I thought it might have been some vanilla. Mixing with that coconut, that kind of makes sense now that I see that. The rum and the tobacco definitely makes sense. The burning woods, I don't know how you could attribute that with the cedar wood and the oak moss, but that marshmallowy sweetness I'm getting's got to be the tonka bean and the coconut mixing. And that rum tobacco, man, it's got a burning wood smell with almost a marshmallowy type of sweetness. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. This is going to be, next time we go out to dinner, which is probably going to be within the next 2 or 3 days. We go out to dinner at least once a week. I'm definitely pulling this bad boy out. I'm going to throw some sprays on, and that'll be the beginning of me really testing this thing to see what kind of performance it has and how it changes on my skin. But Fan Your Flames is 100% a wow factor fragrance. Please focus for me. Do I need to zoom in more? Oh, come on. There we go. You can see the notes at the bottom. This is a wow factor fragrance. No doubt. And last but not least, Ani. So this is another one that's supposed to have that wow factor going for it, at least from what I've seen. And as you can see, this is the big 100 milliliter bottle. Come on. This webcam can be frustrating when it doesn't want to focus. Focus on that. Oh well. Doesn't want to focus, but as you can see, it's the big 100 milliliter bottle. They had a 100 ml available of this. Fan Your Flames, they only had a 50 ml. So, I don't remember any notes. I just know these are the two most popular. I didn't look up notes. These are the ones I've been told I need to get some. These are the ones I'm going to get. And heavy sillage. This is all around right now. Ooh. 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 I don't know. This, this might be better than Fan Your Flames. I'm just saying. Look, Fan Your Flames wowed me. Ani is kind of blowing me away here. I've been missing out. Nishane is just full of bangers apparently. And look, they got a bunch I haven't tried. Maybe I will, because so far 3 for 3. Because I love Hasavat. That stuff's great. It's better than I ever thought it would have been once I actually got it. It's way better than I thought it was. Man, this might be the most intoxicating sweet aroma I've ever put my nose on. I mean, I know that's a bold statement, but damn, it's blowing me. It's literally blowing me away. It's been a long time since I've had a fragrance damn near knock me on my ass. I know I'm sitting down already, but that's the feeling I'm getting from smelling this. I can't even smell it for long because it's so potent hitting me. It's so well blended. It's very sweet. It's syrupy sweet, but not sickeningly sweet at the same time. That's kind of strange that it's syrupy sweet. It's a sticky sweetness. Comes off like there could potentially be a little bit of honey, but there's something else there, adding and mixing with the honey that's giving it a different character, that's adding to this aroma. And look, honey might not be in here. I'm blindly going in on this. I'll be damn. Look, Fan Your Flames wowed me. Ani, however you want to say it, blowing me away. No doubt. Mind-blowing. Mind blown. Great. Incredible. Awesome fragrance. I'm wearing this next time we go to dinner. Fan Your Flames got pushed to the side, and Fan Your Flames wowed me. That's what's crazy about this. Damn, this is good. What a great move. What a great move getting this. Oh, man, I got to go let the wife smell this. So we're going to wrap this video up. The wife needs to smell this. This is incredible. This is incredible. Nishane Ani, however you want to say it. This is a wow. Wow factor's an understatement. This is blowing me away. This is knock your socks off good. And it doesn't come off overly masculine. I think ladies can wear this no problem too. Absolutely. Damn, that smells good. I'm loving it. Okay, full reviews coming on all 4 of these. They will be spaced out, obviously, because some are richer than others. So it's going to be situational now that it's been warming up. But next time we go out to dinner, I'm wearing Nishane Ani. This stuff is mind-blowingly good. So, 4 successful niche blind buys from Vinba Fragrances. And I literally opened them according to how I would actually rank them. It's crazy how that worked out. MFK, Aqua, Celestia, Forte, then Bleeker Street from Bond Number 9, then Fan Your Flames from Nishane, and then Ani, or Ani, however you want to say it, from Nishane. Literally, the order in which I opened them and smelled them is the order in which I would rank them. Nothing mediocre about this package. Not a mediocre fragrance among them. All awesome. All suit me well. Damn, this was a good move picking these 4. I'm thrilled and over the moon with these purchases. They are available right now from Vimba Fragrances, which is always linked down below in my videos. If you want to check any of them out, you get $5 off your first purchase from Vimba Fragrances using my link. And yeah, Annie is going to be the first one I spend some time with for sure. Then probably Aqua, Celestia, Forte. That's going to be a nice hot weather during the day type of fragrance, and it'll be sporadic. I'm going to spend some time over the next few weeks testing these, and we'll get a few reviews out to you guys. And until next time, do me a real quick favor. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. So do appreciate all the feedback, and I love hearing from you guys. What of these 4 do you have, or have you had a sample of, or had a bottle in the past? God, Aqua, Celestia, Forte is great too. Fan your flames. I'm just so much character. So much character. Bleeker Street's kind of that mellow cat of the group, you know what I mean? That's the laid back guy. And Annie is spectacular in my opinion. And until next time, I will say, if you get your hands on any of these 4 and you give them a spray now, I don't know if I could be any more confident about you thanking me later than I've ever been about 4 fragrances. Especially Fan Your Flames and Annie. Have a good one, guys.